Hello everyone, welcome to Arthadoot. Today we are coming out with a new video on a stock that can deliver 20 to 25% return over the next few days. Yes, you heard it right. 20 to 25% returns over the next few days. The stock's name is Granules India Limited. It's a leading producer of API, PFI and finished dosages. These are basically raw material to the other pharma companies that produces medicines. And currently, due to the situation of COVID, medicine demand is at all-time high. So obviously, this company will benefit a lot from the current surge in demand. So it has the potential to deliver exceptional returns in the upcoming few days and also in the upcoming few years. So let's head over to the charts to see what they say. So this is the monthly chart of Granules. You can see the stock is already in a very bullish territory. Then you can see that this stock consolidated in a range from 2015 to 2019. Then this gave a big breakout and the stock went to almost 450. That is, it gave almost 200% returns. But still, I feel the stock has a lot more potential left. Currently, the stock has given a beautiful retracement. This retracement should be used by new investors to enter into the stock and hold on for even more returns in future. Going by the candles, you can see that after 1, 2, 3, 4, after 4 months of consecutive red candles, last month it gave a beautiful green candle. And also this month, in the month of May, with just 5 days into the month of May, this stock is trading above its previous month's high. So this is an initial sign of reversal in the stock, and this reversal should be used to take an entry into the stock with a predefined stop loss. So what you can see on the weekly chart is a beautiful demand zone that was created out here. I'll mark this with green color. Then we can also see a beautiful consolidation for the last few weeks. You can say last few weeks, and then this resistance of the last few weeks has currently been cleared by the very bullish candle of this week. So all you need to wait for the upcoming confirmation is the closing of this week. If by the closing of this week this high, this stock trades above this high, then it's a confirmation. But that's not all. Currently, you shouldn't go all in because there is a stronger supply zone out here at 380 zone. So 380 zone should be watched out for, because you may see that strong supply may come in near this 380 zone. Beyond that, I clearly see a new all-time high of 440 coming once the 380 zone is cleared. Coming to the daily line chart of Granules, what you can see is a falling trend line that was being respected by the stock since December 2020. But currently, the stock is beautifully trading above this trend line that was earlier acting as a resistance. If we switch to candlestick charts, we can even see a beautiful representation of this. For the last 3 days, the stock is beautifully trading above this trend line, which itself signifies that this is probably a successful breakout, not a failed one. After 1, 2, 3 failure of breakouts, this time it finally broke out. This breakout can also be confirmed from the breakout in RSI. You can see here that RSI also gave a breakout with breakout in the price of the stock. So this is a positive sign and a really good indicator of reversal in the stock. Now, as we know that this is a right stock to invest, now the next question comes is, what is the right way to invest? First of all, we need to look out for how the stock has behaved in the past day. Today, the stock has broken out with big volume. So, tomorrow you may see an immediate follow up with an even swifter move. So, in that case, we may not be able to enter the stock. Other way around, what we can see tomorrow is a slight pullback towards this zone, and then it can move forward from here. But we can't predict. Only thing we can do is react to how the stock reacts. So first of all, let's understand the rationale. We can see a big resistance out here at 380 zone. So the stock is bound to find some supply in this region. So it won't be a wise and as well a good trade to enter with all your capacity at this level. The reason is, if you calculate the risk reward at this level, this is the immediate resistance zone, and the stop loss will be somewhere, at least somewhere here. Now if you see, the risk reward is very poor. It's not even 1, it's less than 1. So it's not wise to enter the stock right away with your full capacity. What I would suggest is, first of all, as I said, the trend is very strong, which can be confirmed by the volume. What you should do is take some light entry out here. Suppose if you want to buy 100 stocks, what you should do is you should buy 30 to 50 stocks out here at this level tomorrow. Now there are two things that can happen. The stock can retrace back to the level of 340, where it will obviously find some support, or it can swiftly go up from here. In case the stock swiftly goes up, it's good, you are making profit. And in case the stock starts moving downward, it won't hurt you much because you haven't bought all your capacity. In such case, as soon as the stock reverses and takes support at this 340 zone, all you need to do is buy the remaining quantity. So if you bought 50, you buy the other 50 and wait for it to go towards this zone. So what is the reason behind this? The reason is simple. As it comes to the 340 zone and you take an entry, your risk reward will be far more favorable. It will come to at least 1.5. Not only that, also the moment you realize that in this 340 zone a support is there, you can beautifully trade your stop loss to somewhere out here. This will improve your risk reward to even more than 2. So that's a really good trade if your risk reward is more than 2. So that is the way you should take an entry. And also, don't exit once it reaches this level. Just watch, observe how the stock is reacting in this level. If the supply out here in this region is being absorbed, what you can do instead of booking your profit is buy some more. Because when the stock reaches 380, you will be already at a good profit. So you have some buffer in case the stock reverses. So what you do is buy some more once this zone is cleared, and then wait with a target of 340, a new all-time high. And the best thing beyond that level, that is beyond 440, it goes into an uncharted territory, and this leaves a lot more potential for the stock because there is no resistance out there. It can show even more returns, it can deliver even more returns beyond that 440 zone. So if we look forward with a target of 440, which I feel should definitely come. We're up for almost a 24.5 or approx 25% return. That's a really good return, which I see within 1 to 2 months coming. So only thing you need to do is manage your risk, manage your loss. Put a stop loss in case you are proved wrong. Please, please, please exit the stock. There is nothing against the market. Market has nothing against you. Don't get yourself into that ego that you are right. Yes, you may be wrong. All you need to do is book your loss and get out. Because when you are wrong, all you need to do is make sure it affects your portfolio, your account as little as possible. So that's all from our side. Thank you for watching the video. Do let us know whether you invested or not. In case you invested, what is the result, what is your entry point, what is your strategy, and how you exited, how much profit you made. Also, in case you need more such videos, let us know. Type in the comment box the name of the stock on which you want us to put an analysis video, and we'll surely put out a new video on that very stock. Thank you very much.